Stocks dip after hotter-than-expected inflation report. Live updates. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel below. Oil settles higher after Iran captures oil tanker. Bitcoin is no closer to taking hold as a global currency, Alarian says. Opening the door for Bitcoin spot ETFs is a monumental development for the cryptocurrency, but is still a long way from its proponents' goals, economist Mohamed El-Erian said Thursday. Retail stock investor optimism stays at unusually high level in latest poll. AII says, bank stocks trade down in run-up to earnings. Coinbase shares slide about 7%. Robinhood shares fall more than 3%. Shares for Coinbase and Robinhood slid about 7% and 3% respectively, as traders deliberated how the approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds could weigh on the crypto trading platforms. Coinbase Global Inc. RT quote, last Nasdaq LS vol from CTA USD. Stocks making the biggest moves midday. Paramount, Warner Bros. Discovery, and more. 31 S&P stocks hit 52-week highs. Cathie Wood says $1.5 million Bitcoin bull case is now more likely. Fed still ready to cut even with high inflation, economist McCulley says. Coinbase and Robinhood shares rollover. Grayscale CEO says Bitcoin ETFs will eventually see consolidation. With 11 Bitcoin ETFs set to begin trading on Thursday, competition is heavy and could eventually divide into a group of distinct winners and losers. Stocks open higher on Thursday. Oil prices jump after tanker hijacking near Oman. The West Texas Intermediate Futures contract for February gained 1/38 or 193% to trade at 72.85. Here's how much the new Bitcoin ETFs will cost. CPI rises more than expected in December. Stocks making the biggest moves in pre-market trading. While the firm forecasts a re-acceleration in revenue and ride volume growth, it said such an inflection is already reflected in estimates. CPI report can show investors they're too optimistic on rate cuts, Barclays strategist says. Economists polled by Dow Jones forecast a 0.22% rise from November and 3.2% gain on an annual basis. Citigroup at risk of posting quarterly loss. KB Home falls after earnings report. Aussie trade data shows imports dropped 7.9% in November. Australia's imports dropped 7.9% in November 2023, trade data showed. Bank of Korea keeps benchmark lending rate unchanged for 8th straight time. Crypto stocks jump after SEC greenlights. U.S. Bitcoin ETFs. House committee demands a hearing with SEC Chair Gensler after X account controversy. On Tuesday, the Securities and Exchange Commission's X account made a false post, saying that the regulatory agency had approved Bitcoin ETFs for trading. Bitcoin ETF rule change can reshape the dynamics of cryptocurrency investments, Moody's Investor Services SVP says. Approval of a rule change from the Securities and Exchange Commission that allows Bitcoin exchange-traded funds to be made in the U.S. can shake up the crypto investing landscape, according to Rajiv Bamra, Senior Vice President of Digital Finance at Moody's Investor Service. Stock futures open little changed.